In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to custom calendars on Walmart 2026. We'll walk through the exact path on Walmart's site and the Walmart Photos editor so you can quickly build a personalized photo calendar with the right size, dates, and images. Start on the Walmart homepage, look toward the top left corner of the page and click on Departments. A large menu will open. Scroll down through that menu until you find Party Supplies, then select it. On the Party Supplies page, choose Personalized Cards and Gifts. This takes you to a section dedicated to custom items. In the top menu on this page, locate and click Calendars. You'll be directed to the Walmart Photos experience, which is where the calendar is created and edited. Here, select Photo Calendars and choose the calendar size category that suits your space and budget. You'll see options for different sizes, pick the one you prefer. Next, set the number of months for your calendar, then choose the starting month. This is especially helpful if you're making a mid-year or academic calendar. If you're prompted to upload a design at this stage, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, continue with your selections until you see the option to create now and click it. In the editor, click Upload Photos. Select images from your computer and let them upload fully. For the best print quality, use high-resolution images, typically JPG or PNG, and avoid screenshots when possible. If the editor shows cropping guides, make sure key faces or text aren't too close to the edges. After your images finish uploading, click Next to move into Layout and Date Customization. You can now personalize the dates on your calendar. Add birthdays, anniversaries, school events, or reminders so they're printed right onto the corresponding days. If you'd rather keep things simple, you can leave the dates at their default settings and just focus on the photos. As you place images on the cover and monthly pages, aim for consistent orientation. Landscape photos usually fit widescreen layouts nicely, while portrait images may work better in templates that reserve taller photo areas. If a photo looks stretched or pixelated, try a higher resolution version or reduce its size within the frame. Take a moment to scan through each month to ensure captions, placements, and important subjects look just right. That's all there is to it. You've navigated from Walmart's departments to personalized cards and gifts, chosen calendars, picked your size and start month, uploaded photos, and customized dates, or left them default so your calendar is ready to go.